choose out the night, hidden behind a horizon, into the moonlight, into the moonlight. We were chosen, hearts are frozen. We were chosen, hearts are frozen. In time, in time, in time, in time. Once upon a time, and fame was on the globe. We were dreamers, free and fearless. The world beneath us, we take flight. Starlight, star bright, you are the first star I see tonight. Starlight, star bright, shine so high, you light up the night. Sun fading, sky gazing, stars are the jewels of the night, hidden behind a horizon, into the moonlight, into the moonlight.
What a year it has been. So much has happened during these last 12 months. Just look at this. I got crazy in Hot Week, and I tried lake surfing. And also, I got back to all my old trades and raced through Dubai. All these things gave me memories for life, but not necessarily because of the activities, but the people around them. I met a ton of new friends, I regained contact with old friends, and together we made the best year of my life. So I walk into this new year recharged and stronger than ever. So 2019, show me what you got.